Hello there, my name is Moses Machipisa and I'm the executive for the Global Leaders Network, the Zimbabwean chapter. Now, today I'm going to highlight to you what the Global Leaders Network is all about. That is, who comprises of the Global Leaders Network, what is our vision, our mission, our mode of engagement, as well as the activities that we do as the network. Now, the Global Leaders Network is a network that comprises of history makers and Joshualites, both current and alumni, as well as Econet interns and any other young people that are passionate about leadership and community development. As the Global Leaders Network, our vision is to be an international network of diligent people with a passion for global transformation. The mission of the Global Leaders Network is to provide an international platform for networking young people with global leaders to create a positive change through responsive leadership and community development. Now, as the Global Leaders Network, we have a model of engagement that consists of three pillars, which are social entrepreneurship, philanthropy, and advocacy. When we are referring to social entrepreneurship, we are saying we'll be facilitating for skills and knowledge, skills development and sharing of knowledge on entrepreneurial ideas that young people can start in the various chapters that they are in, which will also help develop their communities. And when we are looking at philanthropy, we have initiatives that we have started that help young people to be more involved in philanthropic initiatives. For example, the scholarship fund which we have started for orphans and vulnerable children, as well as the orphanage outreach program which we have already initiated. The third pillar is advocacy. Here we are saying young people are more involved in the debates about policy and are actively involved in policy formulation, where they directly engage with the policy formulators as well as the policy implementers and have their opinions heard in regards to policy implementation, formulation and implementation. As the Global Leaders Network, we have some of the activities that we do which involve community in outreach and engagement projects where young people, global leaders are directly involved and active participants of development in their local communities. We also have leadership training where we equip global leaders with knowledge and skills of how they can be effective leaders in their different fields of where they are taking leadership positions. The other activities that we do are mentorship programs, which we are developing and inculcating values within young people so that they are citizens who are responsible and who can develop their communities as well. We're also involved in debates on contemporary issues from a global perspective, where young people can then have their input and analyze the events that affect them on the global platform and how they can best position themselves in line of those global developments. I think basically this is what the Global Leaders Network is all about, and we are hopeful that you'll be part of us soon. Thank you.